Welcome aboard. In this video, I will talk about an important topic. As you know, I've been preparing for the Linea airdrop for a while. Since Linea is owned by Metamask, I see a significant opportunity in the upcoming airdrop. There's also a new opportunity for both Linea and Metamask. By minting NFTs, we'll take an important step toward the airdrop. For the next 25 days, we'll be involved in the NFT minting task. Unfortunately, I missed a few days, but I'm still continuing to mint because the number of NFTs I mint is important for the tier levels. To mint NFTs, you need to access your MetaMask portfolio. You can do this via the link or from within your MetaMask wallet. Once you're in the portfolio, you'll see today's NFT under the NFT section. What you need to do is mint the NFT. You'll need to pay a small fee, and then your minting process will be completed. You can view the NFTs you've minted here. I just minted drop 8 and will continue minting until drop 25. Since this process involves both Linea and MetaMask, we can earn a double airdrop. Look, here are my tier levels. After minting a few more NFTs, I'll reach tier 2.
I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.